If you actually use your phone to take phone calls, then this might be the most comfortable way to take them. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. They always call these things trucker headsets, which I guess a lot of truckers will use them, but they're basically Bluetooth headsets that will connect to any of your electronic devices, most notably, most importantly, probably your phone. And so I wanted to use this because I do take a lot of phone calls sometimes, just chit-chatting with friends, sometimes for work or business. Comes with a thank you note in there. It's kind of nice. I guess you bought it, so why not get thanked for it? And the cool thing about this, over just using the AirPods or something that Apple gives you, is that I don't have something dangling down. It's wireless, and it should be nice and convenient and comfortable in my head. Now, what I want to show you here is we have a little pleather ear cup here. It's not that big. It's going to be on ear, clearly, right? And then you have an extending headband right there, so it'll fit even a giant-sized head. You do have a little kind of soft rubber or silicone anchor for that side of the head, and then you have a boom arm here, which is going to give the people on the other end of your phone call good audio quality, hopefully. And as you can see here, if I want to wear it on the left side, no problem, and if I want to wear it on the right side, I can just flip it over just like that. And you get the boom arm, little microphone hole right there. What we have here are volume controls. There's a plus and a minus right here, so quieter, louder right there. And then this is your multi-function button. So let's say you have this thing on, it's paired to your phone, answer the call, hang up the call, start, stop music, those types of things. Now, you won't get stereo with this. It's just mono. It's only going to feed one ear. But if you're on a phone call, and especially if you're doing this for work or monitoring around the house, and you have the other ear open so you still can monitor things. Now, you do have this bass here, Angteela right there. It's got a nice, soft, velvety, matte finish to it. As you can see, we've got the little plugs there, which will plug in here. So when you're done with that headset, you can put it down just like this. Now, one of the issues that I've always had with these is that the boom arm has to kind of be up in order for this to go in. Seems to have a magnet to index it. It's not falling out. But as you can see here, if the boom arm is pretty much anything lower than horizontal, it's going to interfere with the bass. Now, if you push it in there, kind of moves that boom arm up a little bit, but I would have liked it to hang off the front here so that if this is down in that comfortable position for you, you can put it back in there as opposed to kind of pulling it up and then always having to adjust that. But that's just kind of the nature of all of these I've found. So it is what it is. You do have a micro USB port right there on the front. That's for charging it. This will recharge when it's in the base, and little foam feet right there so it'll sit on your desk. Now, it does come with a micro USB to USB-A charging cable right there. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, get it charged up, get it paired to my phone, and then let's see how the audio quality really is. All right, so I have the trucker headset plugged in here. I've got it paired to my phone here. I'm actually going to prove to you that it is using the microphone here, because normally when I have my boom microphone set up and I move away, you're going to get a drop off in audio. But if I just keep talking and I swing around here, normally this would be very, very quiet, but hopefully you should hear that the audio is not dropping off at all. And if I come back around here, surprise, still here talking in the microphone. So this is actually the audio that you should expect to get on your device. Mine is an iPhone, but you might be using an Android or an iPad or a computer or whatever it might be. Anything that uses Bluetooth is probably going to work with this. But if you are making a phone call, there might be a drop off in quality with that connection. But this hopefully will work pretty well, so that whether you're doing web conferencing, Zoom meetings, webinars, telephone calls, what have you, it's going to be nice and convenient, comfortable to wear. I tell you what, it pairs very, very fast. As soon as I turned that on, I saw bling, it paired to my phone. So even if your phone's ringing and you don't have this thing turned on, pull it out of the stand, it'll pair right away. So I'm pretty excited about using this because it's going to make it so much more comfortable to hear, to listen, to not be encumbered by cables and wires and things that might hang off your normal set of earbuds, and might improve the experience for the people on the other end of the line, which is what we do here. We care about people. So if you want to give better audio quality, have better audio quality for yourself, and be comfortable while you're taking those calls or online meetings, I think you're going to like this. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
If you actually use your phone to take phone calls, then this... Huh?